Hello friends, I am Rashmi Ritapure from Sarhad College. From TYBSc Medicinal Chemistry, today we discuss some points from chapter 4, Drugs for Non-Infectious Diseases. This is our chapter 4. In chapter 4, we discuss various non-infectious diseases. So let's start with chapter 4. So we start first with introduction, and our first point is infectious diseases. So friends, have you know why some diseases spread from one person to another while others don't? Who will tell me why some diseases spread from one person to another while others don't? So in this, infectious diseases are caused by attack of pathogens. They are caused due to extrinsic factors. So what is mean by infectious diseases? Infectious diseases which spread or which are caused by attack of pathogens. So in this picture here, different type of pathogens are shown in the picture. Okay, and these infectious diseases, they are transformed from one person to another, and the transmission occurs through direct contact or some media such as air or water or vectors. For example, infectious diseases. Examples of infectious diseases are cholera, malaria, cold, influenza, chickenpox, and herpes. Okay, so students, these infectious diseases, they spread by attack of pathogens, and examples of infectious diseases are cholera, malaria, chickenpox, herpes. These are the different examples of infectious diseases. Okay, so next point of our discussion is non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases. So can anyone share an example of non-infectious diseases? Who will tell me examples of non-infectious diseases, or what is mean by non-infectious diseases? Who will tell me? So we start with non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases are caused by intrinsic factors. Intrinsic factors means something which is inside in the body, like genetic issues, lifestyle choices, or environmental factors. Okay, so non-infectious diseases, these are caused by genetic issues or your lifestyle choices, or some environmental factors are related to non-infectious diseases. The non-infectious diseases are caused by factors other than pathogens. Okay, means these are caused by other than pathogens. They are caused due to intrinsic factors. Means these diseases are hereditary. Means they transform from parents to offsprings. And examples, now we discuss examples of non-infectious diseases, and in these Down syndrome is non-infectious diseases, hemophilia, cancer, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease. Now in this PPT there are some pictures. In first picture, coronary artery disease, means this disease is cardiovascular disease. And what happens in coronary artery disease, your coronary artery get blocked with fat. Okay, this yellow colored part in the picture, it shows blockages in the heart which creates cardiovascular diseases which causes heart attack. Okay, now second is diabetes. In diabetes, patient need injection of insulin. And last is Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease means brain degeneration. As our age increases, then this Alzheimer's disease is found in old peoples. And Alzheimer's means brain degeneration. And as per WHO data, every year 41 million lives are lost because of non-infectious diseases. This number is 71% of all deaths globally. So, student, this is much important point that 71 deaths globally happens because of non-infectious diseases. In the group of non-infectious diseases, the cardiovascular diseases cause highest number of deaths. In the pie diagram here I show 33% deaths are because of the cardiovascular diseases. And this after the deaths of cardiovascular diseases, it is followed by cancer, means about 18% of people die because of cancer. After this, respiratory diseases and diabetes. So in this pie diagram, nearly 71% of deaths are due to the non-infectious diseases. So in non-infectious diseases, our next type is anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents, and second is metallodrugs as chemotherapeutic agents. Okay, so students, we first start with anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents. So first, anti-inflammatory agent means what? Substance. Anti-inflammatory agent means it is a substance that reduces inflammation. Inflammation means redness, swelling and pain in the body. In this PPT, pictures are shown. In first picture, swelling is there, and second picture, swelling with redness is there. So anti-inflammatory agents are the drugs that reduces the inflammation, okay, that gives relief from the pain. Okay, so anti-inflammatory agents block certain substances in the body that cause inflammation. How they act on our body? Anti-inflammatory agents, they block certain substances in the body. In the picture, I show you tablets of brufen, that is painkiller tablets, and these painkiller tablets, they have anti-inflammatory effect on our body. So next type after anti-inflammatory, second type of drug is analgesics. Analgesics may be defined as agents that relieve pain by elevating the pain threshold without disturbing consciousness or altering other sensory modalities. Analgesics, anti-inflammatory and analgesics drugs means that relieve pain by elevating the pain threshold without disturbing consciousness or altering other sensory modalities. These are the analgesic drug. So analgesic drugs are totally used to kill the pain, whether this pain is back pain, body pain, headache or a stomach pain. Okay, so in any case of pain, we use the drugs analgesics. So examples of analgesic include ibuprofen, paracetamol or morphine drugs are included in the painkiller drugs or in analgesics. Okay. So next point is inflammation. Inflammation may be defined as series of changes that occur in living tissues following injury. The injury may be brought about by a variety of conditions such as physical agents like mechanical trauma, ultraviolet or ionizing radiation, or chemical agents like organic and inorganic compound. They are also originated from the toxins of various bacteria, intracellular replication of viruses, hypersensitivity, reactions like reaction due to sensitized lymphocytes and antigenic material. For example, organic dust or invasive bacteria. The injury may be due to necrosis of tissues where inflammation is induced in surrounding tissues. So, students, in this chapter we discussed infectious diseases means what, and non-infectious diseases, and how they act on our body. And in this today's discussion we discuss some examples of painkillers and anti-inflammatory drugs. So we stop here. In next lecture we discuss some more interesting points from this chapter. Okay.